Well, Joy and Jade are going out. In fact, I think that's them right there. To check out for shells and coral. Well, the tide's out. It was farther out than that. And it's slowly working its way back in. Dark area like that one there was more exposed farther out, but it's finally getting covered up. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Not as windy as yesterday. It'll get up to about 70. There was one of those hang kites with a motor on it flying by. Kind of cool if he landed on the beach. I don't know where he went. A little disappointed with the hot tub. I know they keep the temperature down a little bit because everybody can't handle hot water, but Joy says it's barely 90. I don't know. But the bar pool is nice and warm. Anyway, another beautiful day in Sonora, Mexico.